What's up, everybody? So here's just a nice little trick to getting free assets. So every month you get your free limited time assets. When you click them, you can go into them and then just download them. So here's the little trick to these. When you pick it, it's kind of always set onto a personal license. So before you add to cart or buy now, just click it. You can see that's 20 bucks, and then for a professional license, which means you can use it for commercial projects, just make sure that the professional one is clicked. Okay, so usually you get like 20 bucks for personal, but then you can't sell your works or anything. The professional ones gives you the license to then go commercial. So make sure you click on the professional. They're always free as well. They're a lot more expensive most of the time. Just click that, and then you can add it into your cart. Okay. Same thing with all the others. Just make sure that's 20 bucks, and that's 20 bucks. Okay, fine, whatever. You can add it to the cart. And the same with this one, 40 bucks, 20 bucks. So I think we've added that one already. And what was the last one? This one, which I think was the same as well. Yeah. Okay, that's already in my library. I don't know, but just make sure you always get the professional license when you get the free assets, and you should be good. Now, out of all of these, this is the one that looks the best. It looks awesome. It looks pretty good, and it can be used for like some nice photorealistic work, which is quite nice. Some details there and stuff. The other ones are more for like stylized games. Like this one, it looks more for like stylized things, but I think they come with animations, trots, dodges, swims. So if you wanted to make like a Spyro the Dragon kind of game or something, they've got you covered there. This one, it looks a little bit low resolution for me, but there's assets there if you wanted to retexture or redo some of these things. Ari, stop it. Ari, Margaret, don't do it. It's look a little bit low resolution, but nevertheless, free stuff. Maybe you find a case for it, or maybe you don't. Anyway, I hope this helps. That big tutorial is coming soon. Oh yeah, this is nice. See, modular assets, build buildings. You got a car there. Nice. And a couple of other things. So anyway, I hope this helps. That tutorial series that I was displaying before is coming soon. I hope you have a great weekend, and speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.